Turn off the main power switch before connecting to the power supply. Insert the power cord through the hole beneath the machine. The three thicker ones are live wires. The thinner one is the neutral wire. The neutral wire end is connected to the blue wire position. The live wire is connected to the red wire position. After connecting the power cord, turn on the power switch. A single flashing green light indicates a faulty live wire connection. To turn off the power, exchange the connection positions of two of the live wires. Turn on the power again. The green light and red light flash at the same time, indicating that the power line is successfully connected.